WANdisco provides a live data platform which solves the challenge of providing access to the same data from multiple locations. Applications can use and access information regardless of where they reside, while WANdisco guarantees that changes made to the data are available to all. WANdisco implements live data operation at scale. One of the challenges that comes in big data environments is the sheer quantity of information. When operating live data platforms, you don't want the overhead of consensus to get in the way of data replication. So the use cases for our platform are numerous. You can implement disaster recovery, you can provide access to the same data from multiple locations, you can support replication to cloud environments or hybrid cloud scenarios covering on-premises and cloud infrastructure. We implement the live data platform using a distributed consensus engine, which allows us to guarantee the consistency of changes made to data across multiple locations. Each system agrees on changes made to the underlying storage before those changes are put into effect. This lets us guarantee the outcome of those changes before they occur, meaning that we don't need to resolve any inconsistencies across the data shared by multiple systems. We implement our platform in a way that works regardless of the distance between participants. Distance equals latency, and when you're operating a geographically dispersed system across continents, the speed of light down an optical fibre may be slower than you expect. Commercial network providers only offer SLA guarantees of about 90 milliseconds for a round trip between the US and Europe. WANdisco implements our WANdisco Fusion platform in a way that guarantees consistency regardless of the latency between sites. Ideally, applications should continue to work as though they're operating against their local environment. Our live data platform lets you use and access information regardless of location. Applications can change information regardless of where they reside. WANdisco Fusion works across different types of storage. You can access data from S3 compatible systems, from Hadoop file systems, and other underlying storage platforms. WANdisco Fusion lets you implement disaster recovery, perform backup, ingest data in multiple locations, and operate a hybrid cloud environment, all at big data scale. WANdisco Fusion is the only way to implement a live data platform at scale, guaranteeing the consistency of data across multiple systems regardless of the distance between them or the underlying storage that they use.